I work out 4 times a week, and one day I stretch and recover and physiotherapy and everything. So everything is very very well planned and very well executed also. Rest, other than that, my coaches decide what I do. So Samresh, Jung sir, we have Mung Pyar and Ronak Pandit. So they all decide the regimes.
Okay, so you include some kind of particular trainings like stability trainings for your body,
Of
and
course.
balancing,
Yeah.
and the focusing, aiming trainings. Okay, so I would also love to know if you can share any winning experience you already had in Olympics and in any World Cup. So would you love to share that?
So I would like to share a few. First one was Commonwealth Games 2018. I was 16 years old and I won the Commonwealth Games gold. I did not know the importance of it then, but later on, as soon as I arrived in India, people went crazy about it. Yeah. So that was the first time when I realized the power of the sport. The power that it unites people. People with different background come together and cherish and celebrate sports people. So which is a bliss. So that was one moment, and the other one was Youth Olympic Games, the once in a lifetime opportunity, and I won the gold in that. 2 medals actually, 1 gold and 1 silver.
Amazing.
I represented India. I was the flag bearer in the opening ceremony.
Oh.
So it was a very very special, and it's very close to my heart.
Amazing. It is.
So I would say shooting is a brilliant sport. It's very transparent. However you are performing, it will show.
Yeah,
And no biased behavior will be done. And the federation is very supportive. It's very good. And I think there's a lot of scope. No matter you're 14 years old or you're 40 years old, 40 ya 14 doesn't matter. You can perform all. Everyone can opt for this sport and do wonders in this. Just right amount of hard work and focus is required.
मैम मेरा नाम ऐश्वर्य प्रताप सिंह तोमर है। मैं मध्य प्रदेश खरगोन डिस्ट्रिक्ट से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं एक इंटरनेशनल राइफल शूटर हूँ। मेरा मेन इवेंट 50 मीटर 3 पोजीशन इवेंट है और मेरा अचीवमेंट अभी तक का सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट यही है कि मैंने टोक्यो 2020 ओलंपिक्स खेला है। में 4 गोल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाए और 5 इंडिविजुअल गोल्ड जीते हैं। काफ़ी बढ़िया कंपटीशन हुआ है ये और काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से ये कॉलेज ने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है और काफ़ी बढ़िया अच्छा लेवल का कंपटीशन है। हमारे साथ साथ जो यूनिवर्सिटी के जो पढ़ने लिखने वाले जो लोग हैं उनके लिए भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है कि वो स्पोर्ट्स में भी कुछ अचीव कर सकते हैं पढ़ाई के साथ साथ।
Right.
So I'm Ashi Chokse, member of Indian shooting team, and currently I'm in the team right now. And
Okay, so we would also love to know actually about your achievements.
so last year I played all the internationals. I was having a mixed team gold in ISEF World Cup Baku, Azerbaijan, and an individual medal bronze in Germany and a team medal in Germany as well.
That's nice.
Yeah, and last I participated in World Cup Bhopal itself and the World Championship Cairo, Egypt. Really like to thank Subharti University for its hospitality, and there are very few ranges in this India that have very few universities in which we have shooting ranges. So I would like to say that it is a very good platform for students to perform here, so that they can start a career from here, a shooting career. I would like to say that to all the beginning shooters and all the shooters that whatever you are doing, just do it with your passion, and once you start hard work, everything will fall in place. So just never give up on you, and spend time with your family, friends, and enjoy.
Okay.
My name is Riha Agarwal. I am a national medalist. Recently in this national, I won 3 team medals, 2 gold and 1 silver. And I am a Khelo India gold. I am from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Recently in this national, I won 3 team medals, 2 gold and 1 silver. And I am Khelo India gold medalist team in .22. Arrangements are very good. Range is superb. मतलब fully arranged. मतलब कोई भी अंदर चीज़ की दिक्कत नहीं है. बहुत helpful है जो अंदर मतलब कि हैं co-workers भी सारे बहुत helpful है. Like कुछ भी दिक्कत हो उनको एक बार में बताओ तो एकदम आपकी हेल्प करते हैं। मतलब बहुत अच्छी लगी यूनिवर्सिटी। लाइक मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है। इट्स लाइक फुल ऑफ मतलब कि सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे। जैसे कि हम अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी यहाँ पे नई तरीके से आए तो यहाँ पे मतलब इन्वायरमेंट बहुत फ्रेंडली है। जो भी है लोग जैसे रास्ता भी पूछना है तो बहुत मतलब फ्रेंडली थे सारे लोग। बहुत अच्छी तरह गाइड कर रहे थे हमें।
I felt good because this is my second time I'm here for the university games, and इतना बड़ा कैंपस है और हाइजीन बहुत अच्छा है और कंपटीशन एकदम ऑर्गेनाइज करके किया है और प्रॉपर शूटिंग रेंज है और टाइम टू टाइम डिटेल्स हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हमें खुशी है। और मुझे लगता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चों के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है। यहाँ पे इतना पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे कंपटीशन की वजह से दूर दूर से लोग आ रहे हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया। तो मुझे लग रहा है दिस इज़ अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल द यूनिवर्सिटी शूटर्स। एक्चुअली मैं बचपन से बहुत सारे गेम्स करती थी, जैसे मैं ताइक्वांडो ब्लैक बेल्ट प्लेयर हूँ और डिस्कस थ्रो, बॉक्सिंग, फुटबॉल, पूरे टीम मतलब स्कूल के सारे टीम में मैं थी। नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे मैंने रिप्रेजेंट किया है और शूटिंग वॉज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दोज गेम्स। मैं सैटरडे संडे को शूटिंग रेंज पे जाती थी जस्ट फॉर फन, बट देन व्हेन आई वाज इन 10th grade my parents told me, look, you can't play in all the events, so you better choose one game. तो उसके बाद I was like, ठीक है, I chose shooting just because this is a fair game. Wherever I shoot the shot, I get the result, and then that's how the ranking is. Just for this fair game, I was so motivated that I should go for a shooting sport.
So, hi Prasiddhi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, we are really happy to have you here, and we would like to know about you.
Okay, so I'm an international player. I have got a silver medal at the Junior World Championship in 2021, and I've come here to participate in a mixed event.
Okay, where do you belong?
Bhopal.
Bhopal. Okay, so we would like to know about more championships you are targeting in your future.
Well, for now I'm just focusing on the trials that's upcoming in April this month only. So
Okay.
focusing on that.
Okay, thank you so much. And what else would you do, like tips for the other players, shooter?
Well, not a lot of tips, but just try to stay as calm as possible. That's gonna help you. That's all.
Okay, and what do you specifically practice to, come at this level?
I would say meditation. I think it's really important for shooters.
Okay.
In general also, but for shooters it's really
How do you breathe and how do you calm yourself and how do you get yourself out of the anxiety of the competition?
Okay, so for me it's gonna be like I've trained for 7 years now. So
Okay. That's
it
been
has
long
come
time.
into my habit only, so I won't be able to like pinpoint all the details, but I think practice is gonna take you everywhere.
Okay, and in general, how long do you practice? Like
I think 3-4 hours a day.
3-4 hours. Oh, that's a great time. Okay, so thank you so much. We would also like to know that how did you feel coming to our university, Subharti, and how would you feedback us?
Okay, so it's my first time here, so I think it's a very new thing to see, and the culture is really nice. Like I expected like काफ़ी कम लोग होंगे, but I can see a lot of crowd here, so really great, really great.
Okay. Have you ever been to our cultural team also? That we. Okay, it is there at 6
Okay.
p.m. and you can come to us and you can enjoy your refreshing time in the evening if you want.